Hello friends, on the channel today I will show you how to install mods in the Indonesia Bus Simulator. Here we have this tab which is called Mods. Click on it and click Continue. Here we select the folder where we will have mods installed and click Use this folder and click Allow. Next, click on the Download Mods for Vehicles button. Here we choose what you like. And click the Download button. Click on the mod file here. Here is the download. Next, let's return to the game. And click Import. Click Gallery and select the downloaded mod accordingly. It is in my downloads most likely. That's it. And that's it. Here is the mod. Select it and accordingly activate it. And click OK. So we installed the mod, that's all. I've been with you so far.